Ongamsa. Yeah, that's in the Jubilee on the Lobseniba. Second chapter, acids, bases, and salt. Entering on the acid, bases, and salt gang jangi. Acid, bases, and salt gang majanyela. That's in the Dumani channel on the acid, bases, and salt gang jangshigare. And Chazani they get some attention shilla. And in the Java on the Lobsen dinner mula and Karijango yume. And they also did not want to get issue. Yeah, 당고 acids라는 가래, bases라는 가래, salt라는 가래 등가지고 하고 있지. 엔딩가지들이 속대 당보체네. 대링가지고 속대 당보. Yeah, acids라도 전에 those substance which has so in taste. 먼저 칼라진 먼저 사용되는 칼라 더 규모치리기나 엔딩서 가지고 acids. Because it has acid. It has acids. Corona acids is acid right? Any substance which tastes bitter, manzogi kana kutich, right? Toa kakpolo, kawala, or the dick toss and the base is those substances which contain base. Corona substance base use ko toadi any kati like the old chapters. Why? Then salt any acid the base niki any druchini any manzula radeviki any compound theory or the compound samala manzuki salt neutralization reaction ketone and drusha yutila manzuki salt check. Salt the dutchene and you manzuki any color the doing sachi remare or the sadja salt race. Sadiki salt in other ganzukas of salt is such a point of salt is some chemical montage, some salt. Acid, bases, and salt. I need acid example to China. Acid Kashechini, Tensuline, Tensuline, acid Kashechini example. Acid HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. On it. HCl hydrochloric acid, HNO3 nitric acid. H2SO4 sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. These are mineral acids. They are mineral acid. The main baking acid carriers any acetic acid like acetic acid like this shitu da chomen da brown liquid brown the acetic acid vinegar vinegar the chomen vinegar or the acetic acid or the organic acid. Organic acid lactic acid acid formic acid acid organic acid then hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. That in a base to sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Then the base, strong base. Oh, then I strong acid. That they get acid, strong acid, mineral acid, they get strong base. Any base hydroxide or the ring base. Yeah, that also the salt sodium chloride, magnesium hydroxide. Yeah, hydroxide is a base. ya tu shara sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium carbonate, roda any zinc sulfate or denzu tang anzu rod charasna denzu sama anzu ge salt char is an pela chlorine gi dichena chloride denzu sama chloride char chlorine da roda chlorine da anzu ge hydroxide ching anzu ge base ching anzu react china hydrochloric acid da metal ching anzu react china da china anzu ge metal chloride the jule then nitric acid nyamdola metals the reaction nitrates nitrates then some salt the sodium nitrate like sodium nitrate like potassium nitrate like all the level then some salt any nitrate sulfuric acid nyamdol sulfate then some sulfate sama any sulfuric acid nyamdola so reaction ni salt that the acid the base in reaction salt chata colony to shigure and digit some salt is sodium chloride check salt mangushure then some salt that acid base salt that katu yine manzo gita tingya deshi jabanachi manzo saya tungye desu nanglo yete acid the base ewa che da choa ta manzo choa yumi yona acid sha choa khati yona and ko base sha sanzo shetu gora ta chemical densu chang choa ta reverse na mare che chemical densu chang choa ta ya mare ko test level ching test che the test share la any acid the base la di yewa che la manzo la indicators natural indicators thang any kare and synthetic indicators the indicators densu thang any densu nyamdola reaction any they change their colors indicator it indicates by giving color by changing color change okay indicate chesa o dende ki indicate chini any chemicals la indicators la penacha shana zendu dumara ma zu chang ba zendu bala shugu gana ma zu ge any turmeric powder ge any sevochu and the kamsar chela any ma zu yizi ki khoa le chene diga yiki thi tu chane any yiki ti chela ma mu thu do o de turmeric powder changes color da with base turmeric change to red and with acid turmeric change to yellow turmeric color the yellow change chesa turmeric powder the color change it indicates and ko indicate chesa turmeric powder de and the mai begin to get litmus la the any lichens ni so lichens ne extract chi like lichens ne extract chi ni any manzo la ra de ki purple liquid purple substance chesa litmus solution ya yore litmus paper ya yore chesa litmus solution the litmus paper de juta ra manzo indicator these are natural indicators the main begin ya manzo China rose la da denzo the petals ki any the red cap is the denzo ki petals denzo ki phagi ke khato leaves ki and extract denzo thamge they also can be used as a indicator natural indicator chen me chutam chogo re e mai me da anda manzo ki indicators ti me synthetic indicators anzo synthetic indicators da anda manzo the natural indicator like litmus layer chena red litmus tang blue litmus that the litmus khora color the purple ine anju color thing anju ki change chene red litmus tang blue litmus la anju change re that blue litmus chi red la convert chagi yosuna and the substance converting substance is considered as an acid. Blue litmus red litmus blue convert chigina that converting substance is called as a base. Base chigi red litmus chi blue return chigire any acid chigi any blue litmus chi red return chigi. Blue litmus the red return chigi the su ingure is an acid. Red litmus the blue return chinge the swing good is na base tang litmus ni at chana any manzula khare blue litmus tigre any blue litmus tang acid ni combine chisuna any koge red tigre its color change to such or the anju test chich and the member has synthetic indicators like any methyl orange like phenolphthalein methyl orange like phenolphthalein like the any synthetic indicators denso ke ya farange any laga khatu khandi chigore acid yam to khari gyurkere base yam to khari gyurkere or denso thansama any wanzu gitsuda gabane che jare dumbale jare dumbale wanzu main doshine acid base salt chini dumbale jare and gabale ya denso chemicals to khatu ine chemistry na wala labeler reaction chitege na wanzu acid base salt denso ge ewa cheta dige indicators denso beju ta dalu wanzu chendu chubala any indicators denso ta beju ta cheni any acid to base to chama wanzu ge ewa cheta de lobje de yeah the acid means there are ring acid swing note base swing note salt because note to show and it is sama yama acid base and salt ya watching it so this na indicators as indicators nangone manzo ge indicator khare chance na litmus chance and methyl orange ta phenolphthalein then a sheet tamaric ta any over the next indicators that sama ni tempus sama tempus suna and the gigi beju got the w me katu manzo shongu yume or the time and the lobs and the nola nenga chimbo chare that manzo ge acid produce the kharchudo acids are those substances which converts to the blue litmus red and which has a correct sour in taste if it is edible in sour in taste it contains acid or then acids they are very corrosive in nature khonzu ge any ngazul samra la da chapche ga da wo de zuta shubche bu acid ki de acid production in the strong acid HCl do jina any ngazul stomach na our stomach secretes HCl secrete chides ta on the acid thing ngazul ne khachi ki na on the acid thing ngazul ge stomach na it helps us to kill those bacteria and it helps us to make a medium acidic where more digestion takes place here that the acid thinking on the wall of stomach mucus prevents acids the reaction with our wall of the stomach what those we are protected in those acids overeating the end those acids which creates lots of indigestion problems subshat jaya wo de kangite induce na any manzu gi ya glucose la de ta any milk of magnesia de ta any basic de ino the basic magnesium chloride de yo de zu thamu so na any konzo khacha na any manzu gi pagina acidic effect neutralize shi chene any neutral chat less all the acid gi that didn't she based on the silvery touch lapa chimdu chen chi gyore ko jambuchi izil lapa changyu sopi ne che chere o the negi touch yus na ko basic this and based the toward khadi this and based in the town the any red litmus chip blue return chip this based the red litmus blue return chip to sene ganzo ge yawa chus na acid based the ganzo yawa chip and the acid base you are changing la ganzo lo ko chingi su is na indicators na thali ganzo ge litmus che phenolphthalein che methyl orange or the ge any acid nyam do cover change to base nyam do cover change to the sama sera develop the yore ye ba to jang na shwe ni and then salt the some acid the base reaction on salt drying any salt down water drying and the salt and any these are neutral neither acidic nor basic for acidic basic and they are compound and compound and the compound is salt and day to day life and there are many salts which are always in contact with us contact and salt salt is somewhat neutral and telling you the acid base and salt introduction to chili and then some shaggy any something even in chilling on to be done on it to the juba acid base and salt jam back and strong women and to the strong women